Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Lori Ann Ganaban Rodriguez. I'm 33 years old, married. I have one daughter. She's 11 years old. I have two brothers and two sisters. I'm the fourth child of the family. I live in Cabarwan, Cauayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience is in abroad, United Arab of Emirates. I served 10 members of the family, one elderly, 2 couple, and 7 children, ages 13, 11, 10, 7, 5, 3, and newborn. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, cleaning the swimming pool, cleaning cars, and the main duties is taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the safety of the children. I check the temperature if sick, and I tell to my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. I have tattoo in my left hip, size 2 inches.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go to work to abroad because I want to help my family and to secure my future of my child.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus on my work and making myself busy.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and I wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to extend if needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you're really sure, show it. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your worker. I do all my best to taking care of your children, and I'm hardworking, very responsible, and jolly person. Thank you.